Top 6. Best Pancake Air Compressors. However, when it's time to choose the right pancake air compressors, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best pancake air compressors on the market today, so if you're interested in what pancake air compressors will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall. Craftsman Air Compressor.
From finish work to inflation, powered through most jobs with the Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor, made in the USA with global materials. It's designed with a 6-gallon tank and an oil-free pump that recovers quickly so you can keep working. A high PSI drives more nails than a traditional 135 max PSI compressor. For added convenience, it's designed with dual couplers, and it starts up easy in cold weather. Plus, its lightweight construction and cord wrap make transportation and storage a breeze. Make big jobs a little easier with this Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor. Craftsman. We build.
Number 2. Runner-up. DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor. Number 3. Best Budget. Porter Cable C2002 WK. Number 4. Best Warranty. DeWalt DCC 2560T1.
My name is Mike Adelberger. I work for Younger Construction. I'm a lead carpenter for them, and I have 35 years of experience. A lot of our homes are large in size, so we end up having to travel throughout the home. We use the cordless compressor. It's really nice where you can take it with you and go upstairs.
I'm Ted Graves, owner of Pleasant Hills Custom Builders, and I've been in this business for about 20 years. Well, the one-turn regulator made it easy to precisely dial up the pressure or dial down depending on what we're using. It's a real time saver because we don't have to go back and set high nails or worry about nails that have gone all the way through the material. FlexVolt is genius. It's a strong battery and it lasts a long time, and it's making our jobs easier and actually more fun. I've been using DeWalt tools since I started, and I've been impressed ever since, and every time the new technology comes out, I follow it.
We've used that cordless compressor for framing, siding, casing, crown.
We trim, wainscoting, flooring, and it's handled everything we've thrown at it.
Generally, power is pretty scarce on the job site, so either you have to run a long cord or you have to run a long air hose. And it's nice that cordless compressor is not taking up a plug, because a lot of times these slots are valuable.
Number 5. Quietest Operation. Campbell Hausfeld DC060500.
Introducing Campbell Hausfeld Quiet Compressors, the quietest compressors we've ever made. Up to 50% less sound output than conventional designs. Delivering the power you need to get jobs done, and the quiet operation you need to work virtually anywhere. You'll notice the difference in sound output immediately. And others will too. User-friendly design for easy monitoring and pressure adjustment. Available in 6-gallon and 8-gallon models to take on many common jobs, with key components designed to last up to 4 times longer. So your Campbell-Hausfeld quiet compressor is always ready for the next job. Campbell-Hausfeld, the compressed air expert.
Number 6. Bostage BTFP02012. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.